They were booing me, shouting me, oh, Ashe, well, get out, get out. But I forgive them, Sha. Because you see, now this will be the effect of poverty. When you don't get bad leadership for so long, people don't forget how to live. They don't forget the human side of things. And that is why the good say make woman come the leader. I feel very bad, though. I feel humiliated, I swear to God. I don't do anything bad. When I at that moment, when I think I'm paying me. I said I walk come out for that venue. These same boys follow me. They boo me come out. I can't walk out like saying I say a criminal like me. I just can't think. Say no, it's same me. Where because of me, these two countries just can't sign this agreement for Jakarta. Come say 500 billion. Don't come for my state. I don't do bad things. I don't be criminal. I live my whole life. Do good things. Besides, I be saint, but I don't deserve to be treated like that. And the worst thing we pay me say, even people from my own place, they go like that.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You're welcome to this Facebook page and YouTube channel. Okay guys, without wasting much of your time, I'd like us to go straight down to this news. Wonder shall never end. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife, like Remi Bola Ahmed Tinubu, batching at Natasha, Senator Natasha. Hey, wahala day. Guys, I will play you guys a video of Bola Ahmed Tinubu talking about Senator Natasha, saying that women should learn how to carry themselves. They should not be cheap to men. Like I was saying, is Senator Natasha cheap to the unfortunate Senate President Godswill Akpabio? You see, ladies, like women are the ones batching on Senator Natasha. This Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife that is talking, I will still show you guys a throwback video what this woman was doing inside the Senate house before she became the select Senate President's Bola Ahmed Tinubu first lady. I will show you guys a video of this same woman, what she was doing inside the Senate house, how this woman insult men, do all manner of nonsense inside the Senate house. But then let me show you guys something. This is what she said before I play you guys the video. She said, women should learn not to be sheep for men to harass. Respect yourself, says First Lady Remi Tinubu. Like, I don't understand. Hey God, you see what we are talking about here? These are the set of people who give these men the morale to be intimidating women. This kind of woman thinking that Senator Natasha, she is cheap. If Senator Natasha, she is cheap, why did she come outside and say that this is what Senator Akpabio wants from her? Because she is not cheap. That is why she exposed the so-called the Senate President, and why this woman is supporting the unfortunate Senate President, because the unfortunate Senate President, he is the one giving them the money that they are stealing in Nigeria. Because now the man they sign on how many billion, how many trillion. So she got to support him. Let me play you guys a video. Hear what she said on this video.
This is an opportunity to say Happy Women's Day. We are counting down. Is Beijing, and the theme is all centered around Beijing after 3 decades. What have we done as women? Women, we've come a long way. Even from all the matriarchs of old, they've contributed, and up till now, women are doing phenomenal things. Look at our little Zuriel. You see what we can do? So I don't believe that Nigerian youths are not equipped or they have what it takes. And what does she do? Just an advocacy champion of what good she felt could be about peace. You know, and that's what we all, like I said, and women, I celebrate you. You know, keep doing what you know how to do, lifting your head high. And I know with what is going on in the Senate, you say, why am I not taking a position? I believe that Senate is doing what is needful, because that's what it is. It's an inside place, and it's a matured chambers. We shouldn't be hearing things like that. It's a matured chamber, and it should be treated with respect. It's an honor for you to be in that place alone. I was there for 12 years.
You heard? she was there for 12 years. She was there for 12 years. But at 12 years, what happened? Let me show you guys what happened. In our own 12 years, see what happened, what she did. Number one video, watch this one first.
Because of certain things which I explained and we discussed. So, you can ask him that question now. But, distinguished colleagues, order! Order! Why I'm taking order. Order, distinguished Senator Tinubu.
Somebody's on the floor. On that side.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, why I'm taking us through this thing is because the nation is watching us.
Stop us. But you don't come to on the other side and start dictating to us. Do you want us to protect you, or do you want us to defend you, or you want to be on your own? Because do you realize that the Senate, I off that mic and let me finish. Do you realize that the Senate, when we constitute this, whatever the law gives, we can also suspend you? Do you realize that? No, sir.
I will not sit and you threaten me with suspicion.
We are not threatening you. I said like we are not threatening you.
I will not sit you threatening with suspension.
With all due respect, sir.
With all due respect to you, I won't sit here. You are my colleague. You are a senator like me. You cannot threaten me with suspension.
Excuse me.
I take exception, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Off that man. You are digging a hole for yourself.
Excuse me.
All right, then. Go and bury me.
Okay. I'm also another woman.
Yes, ma'am.
You heard from her. You see what this woman did. What this woman she's doing now. What she did in her time. Senator Natasha did not do it. Even when Senator Natasha tried to speak, they off her mic. Senator Natasha, she was not rude in the Senate House. But you see, Bola Ahmed Tinubu's wife, she was rude in the Senate House. That woman was rude in the Senate House. She fights all the men. Bola Ahmed Tinubu's wife. But right now, she's not the one telling Senator Natasha, women should learn how to respect themselves, not to be cheap to men. Like, seriously. Seriously. You see what we're talking about? All these women, you guys just need to, like, love yourself. Enough of the hatred. Enough of this hatred, like, don't liking yourself. It makes no sense. Bola Ahmed Tinubu's wife, you came out and start batching at Senator Natasha. What is her crime? No, we want to know, what is her crime? What has she done to deserve what she got from you guys? You are saying the Senate House is doing the right thing. Doing the right what? By suspending her? By suspending her. Now, Senator Akpabio want to, do Women's Day. Really? After suspending a woman from the Senate House, now you are not acting as if you are respecting women. No. No, you are not respecting any women at all. You are not respecting any women. Godswill Akpabio, the unfortunate Senate president, you are not respecting any women. You are only there to disgrace them. Go say, yes, I don't suck her now. If you carry on and come outside now, I can't give you. That's okay. That's what you just did. But it's so shameful to see that women are the ones, hyping Godswill Akpabio. I will drop one right up here. See how women are honoring the same Godswill Akpabio. Women. What a shame. What a shame. One thing I see on this whole saga of Senator Natasha and the unfortunate Senator Godswill Akpabio, one thing I see here is the women that are attacking Senator Natasha, they feel intimidated by her. Yeah, they feel intimidated because her beauty is she's so beautiful. That's why these people, they're intimidated by her. So they want to do everything by all means to make sure she does not come back to that Senate house. Yeah. We know. Even the 6 months suspension they gave to her, many of them will be saying, oh, why not ban it for life? She will not come to the Senate house again because they feel intimidated. This is a woman who come there, respect herself, do everything like other people does in that Senate house. But still, the unfortunate president, the unfortunate Senate president, Godswill Akpabio, does not give her a chance to do her senatorial duty in the Senate house. What a shame. Now, the so-called unfortunate Senate president wife came out, want to bash at her. Like, seriously? You, Remi Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife, what are you saying? You and your husband condemning Nigeria, using Nigeria treasury to be funding your lifestyle. And they steal Nigeria money, they turn Nigeria upside down, they chop the money anyhow. Then you want to come here and talk to somebody. Like, which advice do you want to give to her? You are even worse than her. Remi Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you are worse than Senator Natasha. What you did, she did not do it. She did not do it. It is when Godswill Akpabio started misbehaving, then she started speaking out. This is what she's facing in the Senate house. And you want to turn everything around. Women should not be cheap for men not to be harassing them. Like, seriously. So it is because Natasha, she is cheap. That was why the unfortunate Senate president, Godswill Akpabio, harassed her. Just hear yourself speaking. Just hear yourself speaking. She's cheap. Do you know a woman that is cheap? A woman that is cheap, you will not hear her voice outside. They will just do the game and clean their mouth. Shaking her. Shaking her. Nobody will know if she and the unfortunate Senate president, Godswill Akpabio, knocked themselves. Nobody will know. But because she did not fall cheap to Godswill Akpabio, that was why Godswill Akpabio is treating her bad. And now you are not coming out to say that she's cheap. I mean, when I go one side. Senator Natasha, no problem. Calm yourself down. It has happened. Don't worry. There's a way God does these things. All of them, come out, we eat them one after the other. Because they want to bring out the narrative saying that, oh, it is the Northerners that are pushing you to impeach the so-called fortunate Senate presidents. We know that what you said, really, Godswill Akpabio did it. But because they don't want women word to count in Nigeria, that's why you see all of them gathered to stab you. No problem. God will justify everything soon. Even they gave you 6 months suspension, but God will still expose these people. I will end this case for now. Please share this video. Bola Ahmed Tinubu wife, hide your face in shame. Your video is out there circulating what you did in the Senate house. You were there for 12 years. What did you do? We were fighting inside the Senate house. Now you want to come and advise Senator Natasha. I bet power go one side. Guys, I will end this video. Please share this video. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you do so, God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe, guys, and bye-bye.